This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Rolex watches have long been more than just flashy accessories. They are powerful financial assets, often resistant to the unpredictable swings of the market. For many collectors, these timepieces are seen as an investment that can weather economic storms. However, some models that were once considered prime investment pieces have begun to lose their value, leaving many wondering why. In this video brought to you by the Luxury World, we'll explore which Rolex models are taking an unexpected dip in value and examine the market dynamics that are causing this shift. Whether you are an experienced collector or a first-time buyer, this analysis could influence your next big purchase. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we encourage you to do so to stay informed about future content. The Rolex market has seen dramatic fluctuations in recent years. Flashback to March 2022, and securing a Rolex from an authorized dealer was akin to finding a needle in a haystack. With demand at an all-time high, prices surged well beyond the retail tags. However, since then, prices have cooled, returning to more pre-pandemic levels. Although retail prices have been creeping up slightly, the ultra-premium markups that were common during the height of the pandemic are becoming rarer. Today, savvy buyers might be in luck if they are in the market for a solid gold or steel and gold Rolex, as these models are now often available below retail price. While steel models still see high demand, some pieces are beginning to dip in price, signaling a shift in the market. If you have been eyeing a Rolex, it might be time to reassess which models are still holding their value and which are slipping from their once lofty positions. Rolex Datejust 41, a timeless classic with shifting prices. The Rolex Datejust 41, with its classic design and range of dial options, continues to be one of Rolex's most popular models, yet even it is feeling some price shifts. The Wimbledon dial, in particular, has seen a surge in demand, its unique design helping it stand out from the pack. The two-tone versions of the Datejust, which combine steel and gold, are now available below list prices, making them a great choice for those looking to invest in luxury without breaking the bank. The classic white and black dial models, on the other hand, continue to hold steady with prices remaining relatively stable. These models represent the epitome of understated elegance, and their value remains consistent despite market changes. Rolex Explorer, changing tastes in size and style. The Rolex Explorer is known for its rugged versatility, but even this iconic model is feeling the effects of shifting market trends. The Explorer 1, particularly the 40mm version, is gradually inching closer to its retail price, while the 36mm version continues to appeal to collectors with a nostalgic streak. The 40mm Explorer, with its bolder wrist presence, has become the preferred size for modern tastes, and its market appeal has cooled as availability increases. Meanwhile, the Explorer 2 is faring better, still being sold at retail prices from authorized dealers, an unusual occurrence in today's market. The white dial variant of the Explorer 2, in particular, is becoming a more common sight, indicating that this model might be a smart pick for those looking to avoid inflated prices. Rolex Submariner, a dive into price fluctuations. The Rolex Submariner is synonymous with durability and timeless design, and it remains one of the most coveted models in the Rolex catalog. The date version of the Submariner is particularly popular, thanks to its added functionality and practicality, as well as its enduring style. Meanwhile, the steel and gold variants, especially those with blue and black bezels, have seen their prices dip slightly, indicating that demand for these luxurious models may be cooling. One model to keep an eye on is the Starbucks Submariner, which features a distinctive green bezel and remains a rare, highly sought-after version of the classic dive watch. Despite some fluctuations, the Submariner is still a solid investment, as its robust design ensures that it will continue to stand a test of time. Rolex Daytona, a complex mix of metals and models. The Daytona has always been one of Rolex's most sought-after models, but recent shifts in demand are making some variants more accessible. The new reference models in steel, especially the white dial, continue to command high prices, with the white dial variant priced at a staggering $36,250. However, the black dial version is available at a slightly lower price of $31,250, showing that some preference trends are emerging. Interestingly, the steel and gold Daytona models are now priced lower than before, offering a luxury twist without the extreme price tags of their all-steel counterparts. Vintage Daytona models, such as the 116 series, have also seen a resurgence in interest. With their unique styling, these models, especially the white gold Ghost dial and the yellow gold Pikachu, provide a great opportunity for collectors looking for a high-quality investment with some history behind it. Rolex GMT-Master, shifting preferences in color and design. The Rolex GMT-Master collection, known for its world-time functionality and bold design, has experienced some interesting shifts. The root beer model, with its striking two-tone design, is sticking close to its retail price of $14,430, making it a solid, if not spectacular, buy. Meanwhile, the Guinness GMT, with a mix of steel and yellow gold on a Jubilee bracelet, is now being sold just slightly above its retail price of $14,600, suggesting that demand for this combination of metals is still holding strong. In terms of the colorful GMT models, the Pepsi and Sprite variants have seen a price drop, likely due to their continued production until at least 2025. This Sprite, in particular, is more frequently traded than worn, and while it still commands a premium, it is not the investment it once was. Conversely, the Batman and Batgirl models, with their distinct two-tone bezels, are maintaining their high value, suggesting that these models are still on the rise. Older models like the steel GMT-Master 2 with an all-black bezel, which is the reference 116710LN, are now available at more affordable prices, opening doors for collectors to secure a piece of Rolex history at a reasonable cost. Rolex Rose Gold Day-Date 40, timeless elegance in rose gold. The Rolex Day-Date 40, particularly the rose gold model with the olive dial, has maintained its reputation for luxury and sophistication. Its price is currently hovering close to retail, making it an appealing option for buyers who want a piece of Rolex opulence without paying a premium. Meanwhile, the yellow gold Day-Date with the green dial is a showstopper, though its price has seen a slight drop from its original list price of $45,000 to around $38,000. If understated elegance is more your style, the champagne dial Day-Date with Roman numerals is still holding strong, offering a sophisticated, timeless look that appeals to collectors who prefer a quieter form of luxury. Rolex Oyster Perpetual, colorful and fun. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual is perhaps the most playful of Rolex's collections, with a variety of dial colors that appeal to different tastes. The green dial, in particular, has become a standout, providing a zesty and eye-catching addition to any collection. Other models in the Oyster Perpetual lineup, such as the Celebration dial, are not as high-profile but may offer great long-term investment potential, especially as demand for these models grows in the future. The scarcity of the Oyster Perpetual in authorized dealers makes it a coveted piece, with those lucky enough to acquire one at retail able to bypass the inflated prices seen in the secondary market. Rolex watches have long been regarded as solid investments, but with some models dropping in value, it is important for collectors to stay informed about shifting market trends. By keeping an eye on the models that are currently slipping in value, buyers can make savvy decisions that balance both luxury and smart financial planning. If you are looking for a Rolex that represents both style and a good investment, it is crucial to consider which models are currently underappreciated or underrated in the market. By doing so, you might just secure a deal on a classic timepiece that will appreciate over time. What are your thoughts on the topic that we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.